20,000. Chooshify.
Has that ever happened to you? Well, don't worry, because our new product is here to help.
Are you tired of having your backpack stolen all the time? Then you should think about getting the Buckle Up Backpack 20,000. Equipped with non-advanced technology, this baby will prevent you from any burglary. And if you don't think this product is fit for you, just listen to these satisfied customers. It was so radical. This radical barber went up to my radical face, and then he took my radical bag, but he couldn't thanks to the handy dandy Buckle Up Backpack 20,000. It was totally gnarly.
Police used to take my homework all the time, but thanks to the Buckle Up Backpack that my mom got me for Christmas, they still take it, but they shove it back in my face because they don't like it.
Homework? Screw you!
So get this product now, or die!